How's it going, my beardless brethren? Welcome back to another video where I show you my facial hair and you hit the like button. Was that smooth? I didn't think so. How are you, my beardless brethren? Don't look at my unmade bed. I'm sorry. College really does a number on ya. There's a lot to update you on today, so make sure you guys watch the whole video, and please subscribe so you don't miss any of my content in the future. Now, the first thing you're probably noticing about me is I've gotten more handsome. I know. Who knew? No, that's not what I was gonna say. I changed my hair. Ryan, is it completely different and new hair? No, okay? I didn't change my hair completely. I just changed the style. Ryan, what crazy and extensive things did you do to change your hair? My hair used to flip that way. Now it flips this way. Crazy, I know. My hair was just getting immensely long. It's been 2.5, almost 3 months since I've gotten my hair cut, so I was getting to the point where it looked really bad. And one day my hair was still wet from my shower and I just started messing around, seeing if it would lay the other way. And lo and behold, here we are, the cutie you see before you. Let me know what you guys think of my hair in the comments. I'm still trying to grow it longer. I don't want to grow it like super long, at least that's not the plan, but I've never grown it longer and I want to see what it would be like. Now that it's September, we know that
winter is coming.
Sorry, I just finished Game of Thrones, so it's right there. Having longer hair in the winter wouldn't be the worst thing. The next thing I need to update you on is my facial hair. It was getting super long. It was like 15 millimeters and it was the point where I was just losing most of my minoxidil on my facial hair. Like the foam wouldn't even get to my skin, it was just drying on my hair. So I trimmed all my facial hair down to like 6 millimeters, and based on some of the comments, I actually trimmed this sides of my mustache and cleaned it up a little closer down here, and I think it looks okay. I think for now I like it shorter for as long as I'm putting minoxidil on it. It's too hard with longer facial hair. Also, wearing a mask is really annoying with longer facial hair. It's not like short facial hair is extraordinarily pleasant, but you know, it's better. So those are the updates. Bye! Who am I and why do you watch me? Now that we've started online classes and I'm showing my face on Zoom, I've seen a lot of people who will come up to me and say, Ryan, you're growing facial hair? I had no idea because you're wearing a mask. Everyone who says it to me sounds exactly like that. But it's interesting. I feel like I'm growing facial hair and nobody really knows until they Zoom me because most people don't see it under my mask. Let's hope COVID doesn't last forever, huh? We're starting to get cases here on campus, so I hope you guys are staying safe as I will try to as well. Now, without further ado, you know what time it is, huh? No, it's 3:28. Oh, it's facial hair time, come here. Overall, I'm really excited about where my facial hair is going. For the first time in so many weeks, I feel like I'm seeing an actually clearly defined beard. I feel like most of the hairs on my face have turned terminal, which is extremely exciting. For a long time, most of them were light brown or vellus hairs, but now I'm starting to see some actual terminal growth. I still would like to see a lot more growth under my chin, on my chin, and then on the connectors of my beard. I feel like too, my cheeks are still pretty patchy, but overall, I'm pretty proud of where my facial hair has gone. It's been almost 9 months of putting minoxidil on my face now, so it's pretty crazy to see how I went from maybe 15 hairs to what I have today. I still feel like I have a long way to go with my beard, and I'm actually really excited to be experimenting with my hair as well. While the beard is most definitely the main part of this channel, I called it To Beard and Beyond because I wanted to experiment with different things. The and beyond of the YouTube name is me trying to leave myself open to talk about hair or style or something else that interests me. Frankly, I won't be on minoxidil forever. I will be for another long time yet, but still, I wanted to keep things interesting. I do want to ask you guys, if I'm not talking about beard content, would you still watch me? I'm also a filmmaker and I have another channel where I hope to start uploading film reviews, tutorials, and stuff like that someday down the road. Right now, I'd like to finish college first. That's #1 priority. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers now, and I am beyond humbled by you guys. I'm so thrilled you guys continue to watch me, and I love your awesome comments. Thank you guys for continuing to watch every time I upload a video and for liking and subscribing. Which if you haven't done, hey, you should like and subscribe. I upload weekly updates on my minoxidil journey, and I mean it this time. I'm coming out with minoxidil tutorials and minoxidil FAQ videos, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want minoxidil for yourself, you want to pick up some lotion or a beard growth kit, I have links to all of that in my description. As always, guys, it's been a joy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye! Look what's in my pocket. You want to buy some minoxidil?